and the Chapter General of the Order decreed that on the death of a knight, his books were to go to the order so that a library can be set up. In 1650, the Pubblica Libreria di San Giovanni was established within the conventual church. The knights had the right to dispose of a fifth of their property, which included both art and books, and the rest would go to the order upon their death. Many books were, however, sold by the order, especially duplicates and books not deemed suitable for an ecclesiastical library, which was used primarily by the conventual chaplains. These sales were actually very common, and they happened at the library every Saturday. Sadly, throughout the years, many books in this period suffered from neglect and pest damage, and many more were not returned when they were taken out on loan, because this